Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to clear cache of Netflix on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Initially, simply go to the settings on your mobile device. It's right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now do note that I'm on my Samsung device and you can do this on other devices as well. I'm simply gonna scroll down till I find something like apps. Right here's the apps. Click on it right here. Now in this section, you can directly search for the application from right here. The button's located at the top right. It's a search like icon. You can search from Netflix directly from here. Else if you do not want to, simply scroll down till you find Netflix. Well, as you can see, the Netflix application is right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now this is the app info for the Netflix application. Here are the notifications, permissions, but right now we simply need to focus on something called as storage. Simply click on it. Now this will open up right here. Well, there are two options on the bottom. That's to completely clear data or clear cache. In case you want to clear the data, click on this button right here. But right now we simply want to clear the cache. Here's the button right here at the bottom right. Simply click on it. And there you go. We have successfully cleared cache of Netflix on our mobile device. Well guys, that's it. That's how we clear cache of Netflix on our phone. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.